Bushnell Golf has been the industry leader of golf measuring devices for decades, and now we bring you our most innovative product yet, the Pro XE. 99% of PGA Tour players trust Bushnell's patented slope technology, and with the Pro XE, we take that adjusted distance one step further. The E is for elements. Temperature and adjusted altitude have been factored into the play-as equation to give you the most accurate compensated distances ever. The Pro XE has been enhanced with visual jolt technology. You feel the jolt, and now you get a visual confirmation that you've locked onto the flag and you have the exact distance. Another feature you'll love on the Pro XE is the Bite magnetic mount. Easily mount your rangefinder right on the cart bar. The Pro XE also features a positive locking shift switch to enable or disable slope mode. Ranges over 1,300 yards and can acquire a flag at over 450 yards. IPX7 fully waterproof, rubber armored metal housing, enhanced vivid red backlit display, 7 times magnification. All the market leading innovations you've come to expect from Bushnell Golf make the Pro XE the best of the best.
The proper club choice begins with an accurate distance to the pin. The Peak Pulse Professional Rangefinder is the perfect tool for quick, on-course measurements. Simple point-and-shoot operation means getting an accurate measurement only takes a few seconds. The Peak Pulse Rangefinder's flag acquisition technology, with vibrating confirmation, means you can be confident that you are getting the precise measurement you need. With a max range of 600 yards, you will always be in range of your target. With added slope measuring functionality, you will always have the most accurate measurement regardless of elevation changes along the course. The slope adjustment can easily be switched off for competition use. The compact design makes it the perfect companion, providing no excuse to leave it behind.
I'm John Novosel, and I'm here with product manager William Flood to tell you about the next evolution from Bushnell Golf. Will, what do we have here?
This is the new Tour V5 laser rangefinder. For years, the Tour Series lasers have provided golfers best-in-class performance and features. This new Tour V5 is our best yet.
Looks awesome. Let's talk about those best-in-class features.
We've taken our award-winning Jolt technology to the next level with Visual Jolt. Now, in addition to getting a vibration when you lock onto the flag, you'll also see a red ring around the display, giving you even greater feedback that you know you've locked onto your target.
I love Visual Jolt technology. You can feel the vibration in your hand, you can see it in the reticle. It really lets you know you've locked onto your target. Will, speaking of the reticle, talk about the optics in the Tour V5.
Take a look through the laser. The Tour V5 has 6x magnification, meaning objects will appear 6 times closer.
What do we have on the back side of the unit?
This is our integrated Bite magnet mount, which allows golfers to store their unit right on the cart bar. This gives you easy access to your Tour V5 so you can quickly range your target. We also have the Tour V5 Shift, which gives you those same features plus our patented slope technology. We've improved our slope algorithm in the Tour V5 Shift to account for today's ball flights. The Tour V5 Shift also has a slope switch. When turned on, you get the benefit of our slope compensated distances. Turn it off, you have a tournament legal conforming device.
Slope when you want it, tournament legal when you need it. Will, what other features are on both of these units?
Both the Tour V5 and Tour V5 Shift have market-leading acquisition speed, consistent yardage readings, ranges between 5 and 1,300 yards, being able to hit a flag at 400 plus yards.
With all of these features, plus Bushnell's patented slope technology, it's easy to see why 97% of Tour players trust Bushnell.
The Tour V5 leads the way in innovative features.
With unrivaled accuracy, Bushnell Golf gives you added confidence so you can play better and lower your score.
Whether your goals are large or small, there's only one way to reach them. Get out there and practice, practice, practice. If you're an advanced golfer, you already know distances of each iron. You need to understand your surroundings and know exactly what distance to carry. With one touch of a button, Tech eliminates all doubt. No more guessing or missing greens. If you're newer to the game, you need to learn to judge a shot and know your repeatable club distances. Tech will help you do just that. If you're away from your home course or playing a harder hole, you may need to measure the distance to various elements. Not a problem with a Tech rangefinder in your hand. A reliable tool increases your confidence, and when you're not guessing, you can focus on more important parts of your game. Speed of play is also increased. which is something we can all appreciate.
With crystal clear optics, target acquisition technology, pulse vibrations, adaptive slope, and magnetic grip, the NX9 rangefinder will help you hit more greens. In the box, you'll find the rangefinder unit, a carrying case, manual and product cards, pre-installed battery, and a lint-free cleaning cloth. There are 6 crucial components that make up the NX9. The first is the laser lens, second, the optical lens, third, the mode button, fourth, the power button, fifth, the adjustable eyepiece, and finally, the battery door. To keep the NX9 within reach out on the course, a magnetic strip is seamlessly integrated into the body of the rangefinder, allowing for you to attach it to a golf cart. Looking through the adjustable eyepiece, you will see the target, acquisition indicator, the mode indicator, battery indicator, slope adjusted distance, yards or meters indicator, and the non-slope distance. In addition to the items that come in the box, every NX9 rangefinder includes the Precision Care Package. This industry-leading protection plan comes with a 2-year warranty, lifetime customer support, a 30% trade-in discount for future products, and more.